So this is designed to be kind of a one-for-one swap. I was going to do something a little bit different, but it turns out wasn't quite able to do that. So this is more or less a one-for-one swap. LED, well, from incandescent to LED. Alright, so pull it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave room in case I have to put the incandescents back in there. I can just rewire the ends with a little, crimped end or whatnot, and strip these. And once you strip these, you're going to want to get a multimeter and check it for polarity. So make sure they're not touching, turn on your lights, and you're just going to check them for polarity. It's really important for the voltage regulator I'm using. Alright, so that's my negative right here. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping these separate, so I'm not doing like the same for just the light side and the same for the truck side. The negative and positive, they're opposites, so you can't get them confused. So my my negative is going to be a spade. So the negative on the truck is going to be the female version. Because with the voltage regulator I'm using for the LEDs, it'll blow if you connect it backwards, and then you'll have to make a new little circuit board. Alright, so that's my negative and my positive, and I'm just making them disconnects, that way in case anything goes wrong I can just reconnect another one or reconnect the old incandescent, since I cut the incandescent wires off with a little bit of a lead. And once you have that, connect it. Alright, I'm going to hold them apart with some electrical tape, and then I'm going to test it before I screw it in. Actually, I'm pretty confident it's going to work, so I'm just going to tape them together. You can use heat shrink on this if you prefer. I just don't want to, I don't have an outlet out here, so that's actually the main reason. Alright, so tape them up real good, and then tape them together. I'm going to turn on my lights. Alright, there you have it.